Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy Tab series is typically announced in July during Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. This year in 2023, we got the Tab S9 series during that event on July 26th. After the announcement, the release comes a few weeks later, in August, with the Tab S9 series being released on August 11th. You can expect a similar release date for the Galaxy Tab S10. But with rumors pointing that the Galaxy S24 phones could be announced earlier than usual in January 2024, you never know what's possible. It's hard to reinvent the wheel, so we highly doubt that the Galaxy Tab S10 will see any major design changes. The same thin and unibody aluminum design has been present on Galaxy Tab devices since the Tab S5e. Galaxy Tab devices are already pretty high-end, too, and Samsung already made the switch from LCD to OLED displays across all Galaxy Tab S9 models. Last year's Galaxy Tab S9 series featured the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This is the same processor that you'll find in the Samsung Galaxy S23. That said, if we follow the pattern, you can look out for the Galaxy Tab S10 to feature the latest chip from Qualcomm. In fact, the company just announced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. You can expect the Galaxy Tab S10 to feature this CPU under. Unlike the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 versus Gen 1 on previous Galaxy Tab devices, we do expect this new chip to bring bigger performance gains. It's promised to be a 30% performance boost and a 20% efficiency improvement on the CPU. As for the GPU, look for a 25% improvement. As far as RAM and storage go, though, we don't expect many changes on the Tab S10, nor with screen resolution across all three models, either. One of the things that a lot of Android tablets do well is keyboard attachments. The OnePlus Pad and the Lenovo Tab Extreme both have iPad-like keyboard. I'd love to see this come to the Galaxy Tab S10. You know, a simple and easier way to attach your keyboard to your tablet and get to work. The current book cover is more of a case than it is a keyboard. And I'd love an iPad Magic Keyboard solution, where you could simply slot your tablet onto a case and have it float as you work. It just works so much more efficiently. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.